Hey everyone! Today we're making the most delightful lemon Meltaway cookies. These little bites are incredibly tender, bursting with fresh lemon flavor and practically dissolve in your mouth. They're perfect for any occasion and surprisingly simple to make. For these cookies, you'll need unsalted butter, powdered sugar, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. For that bright lemon kick, we'll use fresh lemon zest and juice. Simple ingredients for an amazing result. First, cream together your softened butter and powdered sugar until light and fluffy. This step is key for that melt-in-your-mouth texture. Then, gradually add your flour, cornstarch, and salt, mixing until just combined. Don't overmix. Next, gently fold in your lemon zest. Roll the dough into small, uniform balls and place them on a baking sheet. Bake them until they're just set and lightly golden on the bottom. They won't spread much, so you can fit a good amount on each tray. While your cookies cool, let's whip up the glaze. Combine powdered sugar with fresh lemon juice. Start with a little juice and add more until you reach a smooth, pourable consistency. This glaze adds another layer of bright, tangy sweetness. Once your cookies are completely cool, dip each one into the lemon glaze. Let the excess drip off, then place them on a wire rack to set. You can even sprinkle a little extra lemon zest on top for a beautiful finish. Enjoy these sunshine-filled treats.